My name is Steven Snyder. I'm an equipment designer here at Davron Technologies. At Davron, we manufacture custom industrial ovens. Conveyor ovens are a key component of many manufacturing processes. In basic principle, a conveyor oven is really simple. It's any product that's conveyed through a heat treating process. Conveyor ovens are very versatile. They lend themselves to all different types of products and all different types of processes. Anything from automotive carpet to textiles, film, foam, all types of web processes, products anywhere from candy bars to glass syringes. At Davron, we have no standard product. Everything we design and build is a custom, unique product for our customer and for that process. We thrive on the unique and the specialty items. The equipment that we create here doesn't exist anywhere in the world. So we love to sit down with our customers and we love to learn everything we can about your process. We like to ask lots of questions so we make sure that we understand your goals and what it is that you need to achieve. And then we work together with you to achieve those goals. Our ovens cover a broad range of configurations. They can be anything from large vertical ovens in order to minimize footprint to extra wide webs. Davron can also create a complete turnkey system for your process. We can include upstream and downstream equipment to our oven. At Davron, we have over 140 years of combined experience, and we leverage that experience to make sure that you end up with a product that either meets or exceeds your expectations. Davron's relationship with our customers is definitely a partnership. We strive to work with our customers every step of the way to provide the best equipment to meet their needs and their goals.